In this video, we'll show you how to test your internet speed using fast.com, a simple and popular speed test website by Netflix. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer, such as Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type fast.com and press enter. As soon as the page loads, the speed test will start automatically. You don't need to click any buttons. Fast.com will first show your download speed, which tells you how fast data is coming to your device from the internet. If you want to see more details, tap or click on Show More Info. This will display your upload speed and latency, which shows how quickly your connection responds. Wait a few seconds for the test to finish. Once it's done, your internet speed results will appear on the screen. If your speed seems slow, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router, closing background apps, or restarting your modem and router. You can also run the test again to compare results. And that's it. That's how you test your internet speed using fast.com. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and internet tips. Thanks for watching.